Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on short question answer from chapter 5 and chapter 8. Dear students, let's start for our today's topic, and this is our revision class. Dear student, this is our lecture number 29, and first we will discuss short question answer from chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Energy and Matter. The chapter 5 and chapter 8 is included from your half yearly syllabus to your annual term. The first question is, give 5 examples of form of energy. The answer is, the 5 examples of forms of energy are: first, mechanical energy; second, electrical energy; third one, chemical energy; fourth one, sound energy; and fifth one, thermal energy. Now next question is, what are the 3 processes of heat transfer? Or this question can come like this way: write the names of different process of the transfer of heat or thermal energy. The answer of the question is, thermal energy or heat is transferred through 3 different processes. They are conduction, convection, radiation. Now next question is, how does light travel? The answer is, light travel as radiation. Light can travel without any medium. Now our question number 4 is, what is atom? The answer is, all matters are made up of very tiny particles that we cannot be seen with naked eyes. These tiny particles are called atom. Question number 5 is, what form of energy does a guitar produce? Answer, a guitar produces sound energy. The vibration of the strings of guitar produces sound. Our next question is question number 6. Write the names of 2 catalysts that influence the causes of the states of matters. The answer is, 2 catalysts that influence the change of the state of a matter are: first one, heat; second one, pressure. Question number 7 is, what is energy? Answer is, energy is the ability to do something, for example, light, heat, electricity, etc. Question number 8 is, what is matter? The answer is, matter is something that has weight and takes up space. Question number 9, what is conduction? The answer is, transfer of heat through solid matter is called conduction. For example, if we place a metal spoon in the hot water, soon it begins to feel hot. Question number 10 is, what is windmill? The answer is, windmill is a kind of machine that produces electricity using the wind. Question number 11 is, what is convection? The answer is, transfer of heat energy through the gases and liquids is called convection. That question 12 is, how is heat transferred when you cook rice? The answer is, transfer of heat energy through the gases and liquids is called convection. So while cooking rice, heat is transferred by convection process. Our last question from chapter 5 is question number 13. What type of energy transformation happens to electrical energy when speaking on mobile phone? The answer is, while speaking on mobile phone, electrical energy is changed into sound energy. Now we will discuss the short question answer from chapter 8. The name of the chapter is The Universe. We will discuss only 3 short question answer from chapter 8, and rest we will discuss on next class. First question is, what are 2 motions of Earth? The 2 motions of the Earth are: Earth moves around the Sun in an orbit, and Earth spins like a top on its own axis. That one is rotation, another is revolution. Dear students, you can write also like this: the two motions of the earth are rotation and revolution. And the second question is, what causes day and night? The answer is Earth's rotation on its own axis caused day and night. The side of the earth which faces the sun experiences daytime. The side facing opposite the sun experiences night. Now, last question for today, question number 3. Why do the phases of the moon take place? The answer is moon moves around the earth on every 28 days. Moon relative position be about the earth and sun causes the phases of the moon. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the question answer, whatever you have get on the online classes, and these all are related to your annual term syllabus, and wait for the government next decision. Up to that, till then, practice this more and more. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.